All right, today is Tuesday, May 30th. All of us here at CCG hope that you had a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. Last week, I hosted our monthly capital markets update and outlook presentation with Tom Fox. This is your opportunity each month to look over our shoulder, gain insight into where we think things are going with both the economy and the stock market, as well as to ask any questions that you have. We had a full house, so thank you to everyone who joined us last week, as well, both in person as well as online. If you were not able to join us, the recording is available on the events page of our website. This is your last reminder that in our never-ending effort to help protect you, we are offering complimentary shredding throughout the month of May. You may bring your unwanted and unneeded documents to our office, and we will take care of shredding them for you. It is that easy. But you've just got today and tomorrow to come on by. We are open from 8:30 until 4:30 today and tomorrow. So stop on by, bring your shredding, and we will take care of destroying those important confidential documents for you. If you're not sure what you need to keep and what you can shred, we have a handy Keep It or Toss It guide available to help you out. It's available on our website, or you're welcome to shoot any one of us an email, and we'd be happy to get you a copy as well. All right, with that, I'm going to go ahead and roll the intro, and we'll take a closer look at what happened in the markets last week. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. Markets moved in sync last week with perceived movement in debt ceiling talks, weakening early in the week and then surging on news of progress. A solid quarterly report and guidance from a mega cap technology company helped with the enthusiasm. Overall, the markets were mixed. The Dow Jones Industrials Average was down 1%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 gained 0.32%. The NASDAQ Composite Index led, picking up 2.51% for the week, and the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, sank 2.92%. Stocks were weighed down for much of the week by stumbling debt ceiling negotiations, which appeared to reach an impasse at one point. Technology stocks, which have led the market this year, were under pressure as traders began to anticipate the possibility of rate hikes in June and July. Sentiment turned more optimistic after the release of an above consensus earnings report and strong guidance from a mega cap chip giant. The momentum continued into Friday as stocks surged on hopes of a debt ceiling agreement, undeterred by an inflation read that may induce the Fed to raise interest rates further. The minutes of the Federal Open Market Committee May meeting reflected division among committee members over whether further rate increases were necessary, with more than half suggesting that they were ready to pause. Those members supporting additional rate hikes said inflation was moving too slowly toward the Fed's 2% target inflation rate. The minutes also reaffirmed the Fed's expectation of a recession beginning around the fourth quarter. In comments last Wednesday, Fed Governor Christopher Waller manifested this division, saying that it was a toss-up as to whether rates should be raised, suggesting that he could support a rate hike in June or wait on voting for an increase until July's meeting. So a question we've been asking a little bit more recently here is, what is a bull market? And more importantly, who determines if we are in one? Well, technically speaking, a bull market is defined as a 20% gain in a stock market index, such as the S&P or Standard & Poor's 500 from a closing low. So are we in one? Well, technically, no. The S&P 500 hit a low of 3,583 on October 10th, 2022. So a 20% gain would put the S&P 500 at right about 4,300. And as you can see from this chart, the S&P 500 is still a little bit below that level. The chart also shows how challenging the stock market has been since October 2022. When stock prices rally higher, those gains have often been met by selling pressure. So it's easy to understand that it has been a difficult period to remain focused as an investor. It's also a period that reminds us how important it is to tune out the noise and focus on what you can control, like your time horizon, risk tolerance, and your goals. So let me know if you need help turning down the bear volume that you might be hearing. As always, we will continue to keep our finger on the pulse of what's happening, and will automatically make updates in your managed accounts as we see fit. This week, we are watching Consumer Confidence Report today, Tuesday. Tomorrow, Wednesday, we have the Job Openings and Labor Turnover Report, or the JOLTS report, if you've heard that acronym. Then on Thursday, we have ADP's employment report, jobless claims. We also have the Institute of Supply Management Manufacturing Index coming out. And then Friday, a look at the employment situation. So definitely keeping a close eye on the employment market this week. Earnings season continues. This week, we're watching HP Today reports, Salesforce, Lululemon, as well as a few others you see there on Thursday. If we are not investing your life savings for you, you can learn more about our personalized approach at smartmixportfolios.com. Looking ahead at our education calendar, we do have a presentation this week. It's on estate planning, and the focus is really on not only passing on your valuables, but also taking a look at how to pass on your values. The title of this presentation is How to Plan, Communicate, and Execute the Smooth Transfer of Assets and Values from one generation to the next. And I will be live online on June 1st, Thursday at 11 a.m. And of course, the recording will be available on the website thereafter. All right, that is it for today. Thank you for staying until the end. I do have another riddle for you. And of course, if you're the first person to post the correct answer down below this video in the comments section, we will send you a gift card for coffee on us. We did have some good guesses come in for this last week, but nobody did get last week's riddle correct. So just a heads up on that. All right, so today's riddle is: an eccentric farmer requests that you build 4 pens for his 9 sheep, but only an odd number of sheep in each pen. How do you accomplish this? Again, be the first person to post the correct answer down below this video in the comments section, and we will send you a gift card for coffee on us. If you'd like the answers to previous week's riddles, you can go to our website /riddles to find those out. All right, and then lastly, later on today, I will be sending out our full economic update for the week. This update includes more than what we talked about here just today, including some important information this week on avoiding IRS scams. So be sure to check out that weekly update. It comes out about 3 o'clock Central Time. If you're not getting this email and you would like it, you may subscribe to that email list at our website, www.investwithccg.com. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.